Hello there, and welcome to this Sleepy Science Zone. Maybe you've had a long day, or maybe you're simply here to drift into a softer place inside your mind. Either way, you're safe now. And tonight, we begin a journey into something almost miraculous. Your body's hidden ability to repair, rebuild, and regenerate itself in ways far deeper than most people ever realize. Just let your shoulders loosen, let the breath fall a little slower, and allow yourself to be held gently by these thoughts. In the first quiet minute together, I want to give you a hook strong enough to pull your curiosity while still keeping your mind calm. Right now, as you lie here, more than 330 billion of your cells will be replaced within the next 24 hours. That means that by this time tomorrow, nearly 1% of your entire body will be brand new. And if you stay a little longer, in the next 90 days, almost all of your soft tissues will regenerate themselves. Your skin, your gut lining, your immune cells, your blood, your liver, the delicate surfaces inside your lungs, constantly renewing, constantly beginning again. This isn't just healing, this is rebirth on a microscopic scale. So breathe in slowly and let that truth settle inside you. Your body is never static, it's never stuck. It is always moving toward repair, even while you sleep. Even while you're resting, even when you feel broken. Tonight, we're going to explore how whole body regeneration works. The signals, the molecules, the quiet orchestration that keeps you alive. As you inhale, imagine each breath brushing softly against the inside of your chest, like warm air moving through a calm forest. And as you exhale, feel the heaviness melting down your arms, your hands, your ribs. With every slow breath, your nervous system shifts from fight or flight into a healing mode scientists call the parasympathetic state, where regeneration naturally increases. This alone, this deep, slow breath, activates vagal pathways that reduce inflammation, stabilize immune function, and even improve tissue repair rates. Now imagine yourself floating gently at the edge of a vast inner landscape. The landscape inside your cells. There, tiny structures called mitochondria hum with faint electric rhythms, producing the energy that powers every repair process in your body. These mitochondria aren't fixed. They renew themselves too. Old ones break apart, and new ones grow through a process called biogenesis, a kind of cellular gardening that keeps your internal energy ecosystem alive. Deeper still, your DNA, protected inside the nucleus, like a small library of light, continuously repairs tiny breaks caused by stress, sunlight, or daily metabolism. More than 10,000 repairs per cell per day happen quietly, without you noticing. The system is so elegant that even when damage accumulates, specialized enzymes glide along the DNA strands, finding errors and stitching them back together with precision that borders on miraculous. And in the soft twilight of your body, stem cells wait like gentle architects. They're the most regenerative cells you have, capable of replacing tissues in the skin, muscles, blood, bones, and even parts of the brain. Scientists once believed adult regeneration was limited, but modern research reveals a different story. Your brain regenerates around 700 new neurons per day in the hippocampus, a region tied to memory and emotional healing. Even your heart, once thought incapable of renewal, replaces about 1% of its cells per year, quietly rewriting its own story. So for now, Let your breath slow even more. Let your mind loosen its edges. Let the science of your own renewal soothe you. You're not a static being. You're a field of living, moving, regenerating light. And tonight, we will follow that light deeper. As you settle a little deeper into the softness around you, let your breath become the slow anchor that holds this moment steady. In and out, like gentle waves reaching a quiet shore. Your body is already shifting into a calmer rhythm, and in that rhythm, the hidden architects of regeneration begin their silent work. Tonight, we'll drift deeper into the world of stem cells, those remarkable, adaptable building blocks that allow your body to repair what life has worn down. Imagine them now, tiny, luminous seeds scattered throughout your tissues, each one holding a potential story of renewal. Your bone marrow, warm and dark like fertile soil, creates nearly 200 billion new blood cells every single day. Red cells to carry oxygen, white cells to defend you, platelets to mend tiny tears in your vessels. This continuous renewal is why you wake up each morning with the ability to heal from yesterday's stress, yesterday's injuries, yesterday's fatigue. You are constantly beginning again. As you inhale, picture a soft golden light spreading through your chest, filling the spaces where tension used to sit. And as you exhale, feel your ribs grow heavier, warmer, more grounded. When you enter this slower, quieter state, your body releases signals, small molecular messengers that guide stem cells toward the places that need them most. It's as though your entire body becomes a gentle whisper, telling each healing cell exactly where to go. Now imagine drifting inward toward your skeletal muscles, those long fibers that carry you through your days. Within them, small regenerative cells called satellite cells lie dormant beneath the surface. They're like tiny guardians, waiting for a cue. When you exercise, when you strain a little too far, or even when you experience emotional stress, these satellite cells awaken. They begin dividing and fusing with muscle fibers, repairing microtears and strengthening the tissue. This is why your muscles recover, adapt, and grow stronger, not just from training, but from life itself. Further inside, your liver quietly performs one of the most extraordinary feats in biology. It is the only organ in the human body capable of true, full regeneration, restoring lost tissue even after major injury. Scientists have found that as little as 25% of liver tissue can regrow into a full-size organ, guided by chemical gradients and mechanical cues that act like a soft internal compass. It's almost as if the liver remembers its original shape and moves toward it, cell by cell, until wholeness is restored. Let your breath slow again. Let your shoulders melt down. And imagine descending deeper into the soft glow of your skin. Every 27 to 40 days, your outer layer renews itself entirely. Old cells fall away, and new cells rise like gentle tides from below the surface. Even the tiny wounds you forget about, a scratch, a blemish, a small cut, are sealed through a choreography of fibroblasts, keratinocytes, and growth factors working in perfect harmony. And perhaps the most astonishing truth of all, these regenerative processes never stop, even as you sleep. During deep rest, your brain releases waves of neurochemicals that enhance repair, memory consolidation, and immune strength. In this state, your body redirects its energy inward, toward restoration instead of activity, toward healing instead of survival. So allow yourself to drift just a little further, knowing that inside you, millions of quiet architects are working gently, patiently, faithfully. Your body is not just aging, it is renewing, rebuilding, reclaiming itself every moment. And tonight, we continue to follow that renewal into deeper places. Let yourself drift a little deeper, as if your body is slowly sinking into a warm, weightless pool. Every inhalation softens the space behind your eyes. Every exhalation melts the tension along your spine. Within this gentle descent, we begin exploring one of the most delicate forces guiding whole body regeneration, the bioelectric gradients that shape your healing from the inside out. Though invisible, these electric fields form the quiet blueprint that instructs your cells where to grow, when to divide, and how to rebuild damaged tissues. And every living organism, from tiny planarians that regrow entire heads to amphibians that regenerate limbs, scientists have discovered that low-voltage electrical patterns act like the software underlying regeneration. Human bodies use similar currents, measured in microvolts, to orient healing. Each cell carries an electrical charge, and when tissues are injured, the voltage around the wound drops, creating an electric signal that tells surrounding cells. Repair is needed here. As you breathe slowly, imagine these faint electric ripples shimmering beneath your skin, forming quiet pathways of light. Within your nerves, the flow of ions, sodium, potassium, calcium, creates pulses that not only transmit signals, but also influence growth and regeneration. Calcium especially plays a crucial role. It surges into damaged cells, activating repair enzymes, stimulating stem cell activity, and guiding new tissue formation. Picture soft currents moving like moonlit waves across the landscape of your body, communicating instructions without sound. Your heart, too, uses electricity not only to beat, but to heal. After stress or inflammation, cardiac cells adjust their membrane voltage, a tiny shift that increases the release of protective peptides. Even your bones respond to electric fields. When bone is compressed, it generates a small charge that attracts bone-building cells called osteoblasts. This is why movement, walking, and gentle pressure help maintain bone strength. It's a dance of electrical whispers, a system constantly adapting. Your brain, floating quietly in its cradle of cerebrospinal fluid, contains the most intricate electric tapestry of all. During deep relaxation, like the state you're drifting into now, neurons begin releasing slow, synchronized waves that promote tissue repair, detoxification, and synaptic rewiring. These are theta waves, the same rhythms linked to creativity, emotional processing, and healing. Imagine your mind as a dim forest illuminated by slow pulses of bioluminescent light, each pulse restoring connections worn by the day. And beneath this electric world lies an even deeper truth. Regeneration is not random. It is guided by pattern, by memory, by subtle electromagnetic harmony that your body has known since the moment you were formed. With every slow breath, you reconnect with this blueprint, a quiet order that keeps you alive even when you're unaware of it. So let your breath soften. Let the air drift in like a gentle tide. And allow these hidden electrical conversations to continue guiding your healing. You are more than a physical form. You are a constellation of signals, rhythms, and renewal. As you continue sinking deeper into this quiet inner space, imagine your body illuminated from within by a soft, warm glow. Steady, comforting, alive. Tonight, we travel into the immune system, not the fierce warrior many people imagine, but the gentler side, the immune cells that orchestrate regeneration, clearing away the old so the new can grow. Start with a slow breath in, letting your ribcage expand just a little, and exhale in an unhurried stream, like a candle flame bending gently in a still room. With each breath, your parasympathetic nervous system calms your inflammatory pathways, making space for healing. In this softened state, specialized immune cells awaken. Microglia in your brain, macrophages in your tissues, dendritic cells drifting through your bloodstream. Macrophages, often called big eaters, are not just destroyers. They are gardeners. When tissue is injured, they arrive first to clear debris, but then they shift roles, releasing growth factors that call stem cells forward. Scientists call these two states M1 and M2, representing inflammation and repair. Your body transitions between them with extraordinary precision, as if guided by an internal conductor. In your muscles, after the microtears of a long day, immune cells coordinate with satellite cells to rebuild stronger fibers. In your skin, immune messengers guide keratinocytes to migrate across wounds, weaving new layers of protection. In your gut, immune cells constantly regenerate the lining, replacing it every few days to keep you safe from the outside world. Even your brain renews itself through immune-guided pruning. Microglia trim old, stressed synapses so that healthy connections can flourish. This reshaping is not destruction. It is refinement, clarity, healing. And it happens most intensely while you sleep or drift at the edge of sleep, just like now. As you breathe, imagine these immune cells moving quietly through your body like soft lanterns carried in a dark hallway, illuminating what needs attention, nurturing what needs growth. They never rest. They never judge. They simply maintain you. Your immune system also communicates with your emotions. Chronic stress tightens it. Deep rest softens it. In the space you're in now, this slow, tranquil breathing, you create the ideal internal environment for regeneration. Cortisol falls, inflammatory proteins decrease, repair genes activate. Even telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA, shorten more slowly when your body is bathed in calm. Let your exhale become longer. Let your jaw loosen. Let your shoulders drop. Know that as you drift further inward, your immune system continues its quiet, devoted work, clearing, rebuilding, renewing. Every night, every moment of stillness, it brings you closer to wholeness. Settle a little deeper. Feel the bed holding you. Feel the air soften against your skin. Feel your breath flow like a slow, quiet tide. As your body drifts into this deeper calm, we enter one of the most overlooked yet powerful systems of whole body regeneration, the lymphatic system, the silent river network that cleanses, restores, and resets you from the inside out. Imagine tens of thousands of delicate vessels weaving through your body like silver threads, carrying a clear fluid called lymph. Unlike blood, lymph has no pump. It moves only when you breathe, stretch, or rest deeply. And right now, as your breath slows, those rivers begin flowing in the most natural, unhindered way. This is where regeneration begins. With every inhale, a soft pressure change in your chest draws lymph upward. With every exhale, that fluid glides through tiny gates called lymph nodes, small, bean-shaped sanctuaries that purify everything passing through. These nodes remove damaged cells, metabolic waste, old proteins, even fragments of viruses and bacteria. It is a nightly cleansing ritual, quiet and constant. Your lymphatic system also transports immune cells, helping them reach tissues in need of repair. When there's an injury, a strained muscle, a stressed organ, a fatigued joint, the lymphatic vessels increase flow to that region, delivering healing signals and carrying away what no longer serves you. Picture gentle, glowing currents moving through your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your abdomen, your legs, washing each region clean from the inside. But the most magical part lies within your brain. Only in recent years did scientists discover the glymphatic system, a nighttime cleansing network that becomes active when you drift into deep rest. During sleep, your brain cells shrink slightly, creating channels for cerebrospinal fluid to rush through, clearing debris such as misfolded proteins and metabolic waste. This process may reduce the risk of neurodegeneration and supports memory, clarity, and emotional healing. Right now, as your breathing deepens and your heart rate slows, you're naturally entering the state where this flushing becomes most powerful. Imagine cool, clear streams moving through your brain's valleys, carrying away the remnants of old thoughts, old tensions, old emotions. You're not just falling asleep, you're renewing your inner world. The lymphatic system also plays a role in fat metabolism, nutrient absorption, and fluid balance. In your gut, special vessels called lacteals help transport beneficial fats and fat-soluble vitamins that nourish your cells. In your limbs, lymphatic pumping prevents swelling and creates the conditions for tissue repair. Everywhere in your body, these rivers maintain harmony. Let your breath soften further. Let your hands become heavier. Allow your eyelids to rest. Know that with every moment of stillness, your lymphatic rivers continue flowing, cleansing, preparing your body for tomorrow's strength. You are not stagnant. You are constantly washed clean from within, renewed, restored, rebalanced. And now, let us drift onward, deeper into the core of regeneration. Drift with me now, a little slower, a little deeper. Feel your mind widen like the night sky, spacious and quiet. In this softness, we enter one of the most profound aspects of whole body regeneration, the genetic memory inside your cells, the hidden instructions that have guided life for billions of years. Every one of your 37 trillion cells contains DNA coiled like a shimmering ladder of light, holding more than 20,000 genes. These genes are not static. They switch on and off constantly depending on your environment, your emotions, your breath, your sleep, your experiences. This flexibility, called epigenetic modulation, is one of the deepest mechanisms of healing your body possesses. Imagine your DNA as a vast library. Each gene is a book, waiting to be opened. When you are stressed, inflammatory genes open. When you are calm, regenerative genes open instead. Right now, with your breath slowing, your muscles softening, and your mind settling, your body is unlocking the books of renewal. Genes that promote tissue repair, antioxidant production, cellular detoxification, and stem cell activation. One of the most important regenerative processes at the genetic level is autophagy, the cellular recycling system. Damaged proteins, dysfunctional mitochondria, and old cellular fragments are broken down into basic components that can be reused to build fresh structures. Autophagy increases during relaxation, fasting, and especially during deep sleep. Picture small teams of microscopic caretakers tidying each cell, sweeping away what's worn out, making space for the new. Your telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of your DNA, also respond to your inner environment. Chronic stress shortens them, but calm, deep breathing, meditation, and restful sleep have been shown to maintain or even lengthen them. Longer telomeres support better cellular regeneration and healthier aging. The simple peace you're cultivating right now is protecting your very genetic stability. Even more extraordinary, your genes remember healing. Not metaphorically, literally. When tissues regenerate, certain genetic patterns strengthen over time, making future healing more efficient. This is why repeated emotional regulation, breath work, or restful sleep can shape long-term resilience. Your body learns how to heal, and it saves that knowledge. As you breathe in, imagine your DNA unwinding slightly, releasing tension like a ribbon loosening. As you exhale, envision the strands folding back into place with greater clarity, harmony, and precision. Each breath is a signal. Each moment of calm, a message written directly into your biology. You are not only regenerating, you are coding your future health with every quiet second. Your genes are listening to your inner world, and right now, they hear peace, safety, stillness. Let that truth hold you as we move forward, deeper into your regenerative universe. Sink a little deeper. Feel the warm gravity of rest drawing you inward, like drifting toward the center of a quiet star. Tonight, we enter the realm of mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses inside your cells, and how they fuel whole-body regeneration through energy, repair, and ancient biological wisdom. Even now, while you lie still, trillions of mitochondria are working softly to keep you alive. Imagine each one as a glowing ember, pulsing gently with light. They generate ATP, the universal energy currency your cells use to repair tissues, create new proteins, and rebuild structures damaged by time or stress. Without mitochondria, regeneration would be impossible. And right now, in this deepening calm, your mitochondria shift into a more restorative mode. Stress hormones fall, free radical production decreases, and energy becomes directed toward healing rather than defense. Modern science shows that mitochondria aren't just fuel sources. They are decision makers. They release signals that determine whether a cell should divide, rest, repair, or even self-destruct if too damaged. This self-sacrifice, called apoptosis, clears the way for fresh, healthy cells to take their place. Picture old, tired cells, gently stepping aside so that new ones can bloom. Mitochondria also respond to your emotional state. When you breathe slowly, your vagus nerve sends calming signals throughout your organs, improving mitochondrial efficiency. More ATP is produced with less oxidative stress, creating the ideal environment for tissue regeneration. With every deep exhale, imagine your cells glowing a little brighter, a little steadier. Inside your muscles, mitochondria increase their numbers when you move, a process called mitochondrial biogenesis. But during rest, especially this kind of deep parasympathetic rest, they repair themselves. Damaged mitochondrial fragments are removed through mitophagy, and new, healthier mitochondria take their place. This is one reason high-quality sleep is linked to better energy, better mood, and better cellular health. Even your brain relies on mitochondrial regeneration. Neurons require huge amounts of energy, and when mitochondria become inefficient, memory, clarity, and emotional stability can suffer. In calm states like this, mitochondrial membranes become more stable, and antioxidant pathways activate, protecting the brain from stress-induced damage. Mitochondria also produce molecules that guide stem cells, enhancing repair in tissues like the gut, liver, heart, and skin. These signals act like tiny lanterns in the dark, illuminating the paths stem cells need to follow. Let your breath fall into a slow rhythm. Feel warmth spreading gently through your chest. Inside you, billions of regenerating mitochondria create quiet fires of renewal, restoring what life has worn down. You are never without energy. You are never without the capacity to rebuild. Within you burns an ancient steady light, and it is healing you even now. Allow yourself to drift deeper, like sinking into velvet darkness. Your breath is the conductor, your heartbeat the soft drum, and within this rhythm lies one of the most powerful forces of regeneration, your endocrine system, the hormonal symphony shaping your healing from head to toe. Hormones are not loud or forceful. They are whispers carried through your bloodstream, guiding cells with astonishing precision. And right now, as your body settles into calm, your hormonal landscape shifts toward healing. Start with melatonin, the sleep hormone. Beyond guiding your circadian rhythm, melatonin is a potent antioxidant. It protects DNA, repairs mitochondria, reduces inflammation, and supports immune regeneration. When darkness falls and your mind softens, melatonin rises like a gentle wave, creating the ideal environment for cellular renewal. Then there is growth hormone, released in pulses during deep sleep. It stimulates tissue repair, muscle regeneration, collagen synthesis, and fat metabolism. Without this hormone's nightly surge, healing would slow dramatically. Imagine it now as a warm, golden mist settling over your body, encouraging every cell to mend and grow stronger. Your adrenal glands, often associated with stress, also play a crucial role in regeneration. When you breathe slowly, cortisol levels decline, allowing your body to shift energy from survival to repair. Lower cortisol improves DNA stability, reduces inflammation, and increases the activity of stem cells. Feel the relief of that. Feel the internal space that opens when stress loosens its grip. Your thyroid, a small butterfly-shaped gland in your neck, controls metabolic rate, the pace at which your cells burn energy and regenerate. Balanced thyroid hormones create harmony, steady temperature, stable energy, healthy skin, efficient repair. In this calm state, your thyroid functions more smoothly, like a gentle metronome keeping cellular rhythm. Insulin and glucagon, often thought of only in terms of blood sugar, also influence regeneration. When your body rests, insulin sensitivity improves, allowing cells to take in nutrients more efficiently. Better nutrient delivery means better tissue repair, better mitochondrial health, and steadier energy. Even your reproductive hormones, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, play roles in healing. They influence bone density, muscle maintenance, collagen production, and neural repair. Balanced hormones support deep, sustained regeneration across nearly every system in your body. Right now, your entire endocrine orchestra is shifting into a restorative key. Signals soften, rhythms slow, repair pathways open. Your body recalibrates itself in ways too complex to notice consciously, but deeply felt in the days that follow. Let your breath sink lower, Let your body feel heavier. Let your hormones perform their quiet symphony. You are not just resting. You are harmonizing your entire internal world. Settle deeper. Feel your breath expanding softly, like a warm tide rising inside your chest. As your mind drifts into this gentler state, we now enter one of the most profound engines of whole-body regeneration, your heart. Not just as a pump, but as a bioelectromagnetic healer. Most people think of the heart only in mechanical terms: beating, circulating blood, sustaining life. But modern research reveals something far more subtle and beautiful. Your heart generates the strongest electromagnetic field in your entire body, 5,000 times stronger than the brain's electrical field and detectable several feet beyond your skin. This field shifts depending on your emotional state, influencing not only your mood, but your physiology, your cellular repair, and even the healing of nearby tissues. As you inhale slowly, imagine the heart's field growing warm and steady. And as you exhale, imagine it spreading through your chest like soft golden light. In moments of calm, like the one you're entering now, your heart's rhythms become coherent, smooth, harmonious, synchronized. This coherence amplifies the regeneration of nearly every system in your body. Your heart contains around 40,000 specialized neurons, a small nervous system of its own, often called the heart brain. These neurons sense pressure, hormonal changes, emotional shifts, and even patterns of breathing. They communicate directly with the amygdala, hypothalamus, and prefrontal cortex, shaping your stress response and healing capacity. When your breath is slow and your emotions soften, this heart-brain network signals your body to switch into recovery. Blood vessels relax, oxygen delivery improves, inflammatory cytokines decrease, stem cell migration increases, tissue repair accelerates. It's as if your heart whispers to every cell, "You may heal now." Your heart also releases ANP and BNP, peptides that regulate fluid balance and reduce inflammation. During deep rest, levels of these healing molecules increase, supporting regeneration in the kidneys, liver, and blood vessels. Likewise, the heart produces nitric oxide, a natural vasodilator that improves circulation and supports cellular oxygenation, allowing tissues to rebuild efficiently. Even more remarkable, the pattern of your heartbeats influences gene expression. Studies show that coherent heart rhythms activate genes linked to longevity, cellular repair, and antioxidant protection. In this moment, right now, your gentle, slow breathing is shaping molecular expression within your DNA. Feel your heart's field spreading outward, wrapping around your ribs, flowing through your arms, your hands, your throat. Imagine it extending through your entire body like a warm, slow pulse of light. This field carries order into your cells. It synchronizes healing. It calms the nervous system, regulates the endocrine system, supports the immune system, and harmonizes the brain. Tonight, your heart is not just beating. It is orchestrating your regeneration. Let yourself drift deeper, held by its quiet rhythm. The journey continues inward. Let your mind soften. Feel your thoughts slowing like snowflakes falling into still water. In this deepening calm, we turn to the brain, the most complex organ you possess, and explore the extraordinary ways it regenerates, reorganizes, and repairs itself every night. For decades, scientists believed the adult brain could not regenerate. But modern neuroscience tells a different story. Your brain is constantly rebuilding itself through neurogenesis, synaptic pruning, and neural rewiring, especially when you rest. In the hippocampus, the center of memory and emotional processing, around 700 new neurons are born every day. These newborn cells weave into existing circuits, strengthening your ability to learn, remember, and heal from emotional wounds. Deep rest, slow breathing, and low stress accelerate this process. Your brain also performs nightly detoxification through the lymphatic system, flushing out waste proteins like beta amyloid and TU, molecules associated with neurodegeneration. During sleep, your brain cells shrink by about 60%, creating space for fluid to sweep through and carry toxins away. This is one of the most regenerative events in your entire body, and it activates fully only when your mind enters deep relaxation. The brain also undergoes synaptic pruning, removing weak or unnecessary connections and strengthening the important ones. It's like clearing a garden so new growth can flourish. Emotional patterns that burden you, memories that weigh heavily, and loops of unnecessary worry are gently minimized as the brain reorganizes itself for efficiency and peace. Another powerful regenerative force is BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, often called fertilizer for the brain. BDNF promotes neuron survival, encourages new synapse formation, and enhances plasticity, your brain's ability to adapt. Calm breathing, meditation, and sleep dramatically increase BDNF levels, supporting long-term resilience and emotional healing. Your brainstem, deep and ancient, also regenerates itself during rest. It recalibrates your breathing rhythm, heart rate, stress response, and digestive coordination, allowing your entire nervous system to return to balance. And beneath all this, your brain's electrical waves shift into slower frequencies, alpha, theta, and delta, each tied to distinct forms of healing. Theta waves, which you're approaching now, support emotional integration. Delta supports physical repair. Alpha soothes the edges of awareness. As your breath continues its slow descent, imagine your brain bathed in soft blue light, neurons repairing their membranes, synapses strengthening, toxins washing away, new cells integrating into circuits, electric rhythms smoothing into calm waves. Your brain is not aging passively. It is regenerating actively, creatively, beautifully. Let yourself drift a bit deeper. We will continue soon. Let your breath drift lower. Feel the gentle weight of your body settling into comfort. As the world grows quieter around you, we move now to the surface of your being, your skin, the largest organ you have, and one of the most astonishingly regenerative systems in all of biology. Your skin is not just a barrier. It is a living tapestry woven from billions of cells, renewing itself with tireless devotion. Every 27 to 40 days, you carry an entirely new outer layer. Old cells gracefully fall away, replaced by fresh ones rising from beneath like a slow, shimmering tide of renewal. Breathe in gently, and imagine your skin glowing faintly with each inhale, as if touched by moonlight. As you exhale, feel tension melting from your face, your scalp, your jaw. When you enter this quiet state, circulation to your skin improves. Microcapillaries widen, oxygen delivery rises. Fibroblasts, the cells that produce collagen and elastin, begin working more efficiently, weaving strength and softness back into your tissues. Your epidermis regenerates from the basal layer, where stem-like keratinocytes divide constantly. These cells push upward, maturing as they travel, forming your protective barrier. This journey from birth to shedding is a complete cycle of life, happening over and over as long as you live. Beneath that lies the dermis, a deeper layer rich with collagen fibers, nerves, blood vessels, and immune cells. When you rest deeply, inflammatory pathways quiet down, allowing collagen repair to accelerate. Studies show that even a few nights of poor sleep can degrade collagen, while deep, calming rest, like you're experiencing now, improves elasticity, moisture retention, and barrier function. Your skin also serves as a sensory organ. Touch, temperature, pressure, all carried through an intricate network of receptors. As these cells regenerate, they refine your connection to the world. Softness feels softer, warmth feels warmer, calm feels deeper. The skin's microbiome, millions of beneficial bacteria, plays a hidden role in regeneration. When you're stressed, this ecosystem becomes imbalanced. But in deep rest, hormonal harmony restores microbial balance, reducing inflammation and improving healing. Imagine these tiny symbiotic organisms as a protective mist, keeping your skin resilient and clear. Your sweat glands and oil glands, too, regenerate. Even the pigments that give your skin tone adjust over time, guided by melanin-producing cells called melanocytes, which repair themselves in cycles. As your breath lengthens, imagine each exhale releasing the day's static, the dryness, the tension stored in your skin. With each inhale, imagine a soft glow filling your outer layers, as if your entire body is being repainted with light. Your skin is not aging hopelessly, it is renewing constantly. And right now, in this slow, drifting state, you're giving it exactly what it needs: calm, stillness, oxygen, softness. Your outer world is healing from the inside. Let yourself melt a little deeper. We will continue the journey inward. Breathe softly. Let your shoulders sink. Let your ribs widen gently. Let your arms grow heavy. Now we enter the deep, quiet world of your muscles, the tissues that carry your strength, store your memories, and regenerate in ways more intelligent than most people realize. Your body holds more than 600 muscles, forming a dynamic framework that supports every gesture, every breath, every step. And even now, as you rest, your muscles are repairing themselves through the quiet choreography of regeneration. Within each muscle fiber lie tiny guardians called satellite cells, stem-like cells that remain dormant until needed. When you exercise, stretch, strain, or simply endure the wear and tear of daily life, micro-tears form in your muscles. These satellite cells awaken, multiply, and fuse into damaged fibers, rebuilding them stronger and more resilient than before. This process accelerates during deep rest. Growth hormone rises, protein synthesis increases, inflammation calms, circulation improves. Your muscles soften and lengthen, healing themselves from the inside out. Imagine your muscles now, warm, heavy, relaxed, like long ribbons of soft clay slowly reshaping. With every gentle breath, fresh oxygen washes through them. With every long exhale, lactic acid and metabolic waste dissolve into the bloodstream, carried away for clearance. Your muscles also store emotional memory, tension in the shoulders from worry, tightness in the gut from fear, pressure in the jaw from unspoken thoughts. But when you enter this peaceful state, your nervous system shifts out of vigilance. muscles release old memories, relaxing patterns that may have been held for years. This release alone triggers regenerative signals, allowing tissues to rebuild without the constant interruption of stress. Even the diaphragm, your main breathing muscle, regenerates. When you breathe softly and deeply like this, the diaphragm massages your organs, improves lymph flow, and enhances the oxygenation of surrounding tissues. This simple breath, slow, steady, unforced, becomes a daily regeneration ritual. Your joints, tendons, and fascia also respond to stillness. Fascia, the connective tissue surrounding every muscle, becomes more hydrated and elastic when stress hormones fall. Collagen fibers realign, micro-adhesions loosen, your entire movement system resets itself, and beneath it all, mitochondria within your muscle fibers repair themselves, increasing endurance and reducing fatigue. Your muscles are not just relaxing, they are renewing, preparing to support you with more ease tomorrow. Let your limbs grow heavier. Let your chest rise and fall like a slow tide. Let your whole body soften into this moment. Your muscles are rebuilding, restoring, and remembering how to feel safe. Let your breath glide in gently and slide out even softer, like a slow breeze moving through tall grass. As your body drifts deeper into ease, we turn now to a system often forgotten when we speak of regeneration: your bones. Living, dynamic structures that rebuild themselves constantly, carrying not only your weight, but your entire history. Most people imagine bones as rigid, unchanging pillars, but in truth, they are vibrant tissues undergoing continuous renewal. Every year, your skeleton replaces about 10% of itself, meaning that over a decade, your bones become almost completely new. This renewal depends on a delicate balance between two groups of cells: osteoclasts, which break down old bone, and osteoblasts, which build fresh bone in its place. Imagine your bones now, not cold and hard, but warm and alive, quietly humming beneath your muscles. As your breath deepens, tiny micro-vessels within your bones dilate, improving blood flow and nutrient delivery. Calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, collagen fibers, all flowing through your skeletal system like materials at a construction site, supporting constant repair. Your bones are deeply connected to your emotional state. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which suppresses bone formation. But in moments like this, slow breath, soft heart, calm mind, cortisol falls, allowing osteoblasts to work more efficiently. Your bones literally rebuild themselves better when you feel safe. Mechanical forces also guide regeneration. When you walk or stretch, bones generate tiny electrical fields, called piezoelectric signals, that tell osteoblasts where to deposit new tissue. Even the gentle pressure of your body resting on a mattress right now creates microcurrents that support bone metabolism. Inside your bones lies the bone marrow, a warm, rich sanctuary where blood is born. Here, hematopoietic stem cells regenerate billions of new immune and blood cells every day. Marrow health is directly tied to sleep, breathing, and emotional equilibrium. Deep relaxation increases the release of stem cell supportive molecules, improving bone marrow vitality. Your bones also store minerals, releasing them as needed to maintain balance in the blood. They help regulate pH, protect organs, and support movement. But more subtly, bones influence hormones like osteocalcin, a molecule that affects mood, metabolism, memory, and fertility. When your bones regenerate well, your entire internal world becomes more harmonious. Let your breath soften. Feel your spine lengthening just a little. Feel warmth blooming in your ribs, pelvis, arms, and legs. Imagine your entire skeleton glowing faintly from within, each bone renewing itself quietly and patiently. You are not brittle. You are not fixed. You are a structure of living light, constantly rewriting itself. Rest in that truth and drift deeper. Feel your abdomen soften. Allow your belly to rise and fall without effort, like a small wave rolling onto a quiet shore. In this gentle rhythm, we move into one of the most regenerative and intelligent systems within you, your gut, a realm of constant renewal, deep immunity, emotional memory, and cellular transformation. The gut lining is one of the fastest renewing tissues in your entire body. Every 2 to 5 days, millions of new epithelial cells replace old ones, creating a fresh surface ready to absorb nutrients and protect you from the outside world. This relentless cycle allows your digestive tract to withstand acids, enzymes, friction, and stress. Imagine this inner lining now, warm, alive, covered with tiny villi that wave gently, absorbing nourishment. Deep rest enhances blood flow to the digestive organs, boosting repair and allowing cells to regenerate more efficiently. Your gut is also home to more than 100 trillion microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, viruses, archaea, forming your gut microbiome. These organisms support healing, regulate inflammation, and even produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. In fact, around 90% of your serotonin is produced in the gut, making it a key player in mood and emotional resilience. When you are stressed, gut motility accelerates or slows unpredictably, inflammation rises, and the microbiome shifts out of balance. But in the calm state you're drifting into now, your vagus nerve gently massages the digestive system, restoring harmony. Beneficial bacteria thrive. Inflammatory signals fade. Digestive enzymes work more smoothly. The entire system resets itself. Your gut also holds its own nervous system, the enteric nervous system, often called the second brain. With more than 500 million neurons, it can operate independently of the central nervous system. This neural web senses tension, emotional shifts, and even memories stored in the body. When you relax deeply, the gut's neurons shift into a regenerative mode, enhancing nutrient absorption and tissue repair. Cells in the stomach and small intestine regenerate rapidly, while liver cells, closely tied to digestion, can regrow large portions of tissue after injury. Even the pancreas, once thought limited in regeneration, forms new insulin-producing cells under certain conditions. Imagine your gut as a warm, glowing cavern filled with streams of golden light, constantly renewing, constantly rebalancing. Each breath you take sends gentle waves down through your abdomen, signaling safety, signaling ease. Your microbiome listens. Your enteric neurons listen. Your intestinal lining listens. And in the quiet of this moment, they respond with healing. Let your belly soften even more. Breathe into the space behind your navel and drift a little farther into your regenerative journey. Let your breath soften. A slow rise, a slower fall, as if your entire chest is being cradled by the night. In this deepening calm, we move to one of the most extraordinary regenerative forces inside you, the liver, the only organ in the human body capable of true large-scale regrowth. Your liver is a quiet miracle. Even if 70% of it were removed, it could regenerate to full size in a matter of weeks. No other organ possesses this astonishing ability. This is not just healing. It is rebirth written into your biology. Imagine your liver now, resting softly beneath your ribs like a warm, glowing ember. Its cells, hepatocytes, carry ancient instructions for regrowth. When a portion of the liver is damaged, these cells do something remarkable. They begin dividing rapidly, restoring lost tissue with precision, preserving the organ's shape and function. This regeneration doesn't create scar tissue the way other organs do. It recreates true, healthy tissue. As you inhale slowly, feel warmth spreading through your right side as if bathed in gentle sunlight. Your liver responds to calm. In deep relaxation, blood flows more easily through its sinusoids, tiny channels where detoxification occurs. Your parasympathetic state reduces inflammation, allowing hepatocytes to repair themselves more efficiently. The liver is your metabolic alchemist. It filters toxins, regulates blood sugar, processes nutrients, stores vitamins, synthesizes proteins, creates bile for digestion, and neutralizes harmful chemicals. Yet, despite doing more than 500 functions, it continues regenerating itself tirelessly. Your liver also communicates closely with your emotions. In many cultural traditions, it is considered the seat of anger, courage, and renewal. Modern science supports this. Stress hormones reduce liver regeneration, while calm, slow breathing boosts protective enzymes and growth factors. Inside the liver, specialized cells called Kupffer cells serve as gentle guardians. They remove damaged cells, bacteria, and metabolic waste. They also signal when regeneration is needed, guiding the growth process with quiet intelligence. Your liver stores glycogen, releasing it during stress or fasting. It transforms ammonia, a toxic byproduct, into urea, making it safe for elimination. It balances cholesterol, processes hormones, and supports immune function. And as you rest here, drifting deeper, it works more efficiently than during the busy hours of the day. Imagine now a soft golden light filling your liver, spreading through each lobe, each vessel, each cell. See old toxins dissolving, inflammation cooling, damaged membranes repairing. Your liver remembers how to return to wholeness again and again, no matter what life has demanded of it. Let that truth settle into your breath. You are capable of renewal on levels far beyond what you've been told. Allow yourself to drift deeper still. Let your breath become the guide. Gentle, slow, unforced. As you inhale, imagine cool air flowing through a vast cathedral inside your chest. As you exhale, imagine tension, leaving your ribs like dust drifting off a windowsill. Now, we explore another remarkable system of regeneration. Your lungs, living tissues that rebuild themselves with every breath you take. Your lungs contain more than 480 million alveoli, tiny air sacs where oxygen enters and carbon dioxide leaves. These alveoli are delicate, thin as tissue paper, yet resilient enough to expand and contract thousands of times a day. And every one of them is capable of renewal. Scientists once believed the lungs regenerated poorly, but recent discoveries reveal specialized stem cells in the airway and alveoli that activate during injury or inflammation, creating new lung tissue. Even small scars can remodel themselves. Even fragile areas can strengthen. As you breathe in slowly, Picture air spreading through branching bronchi like light moving through a tree. Each branch divides into smaller passages, ending in the alveoli, clusters that look like soft, glowing grapes. Every minute, your lungs draw in about 6 to 8 liters of air, refreshing your entire bloodstream. Deep rest improves the lungs' regenerative capacity. When your nervous system shifts into calm, mucus clears more efficiently, inflammation falls, and oxygen exchange becomes smoother. This enhances energy production, cellular repair, and even mental clarity. Your diaphragm, the dome-shaped muscle beneath your lungs, also plays a key role. When you breathe deeply, the diaphragm massages your liver, stomach, and intestines, improving circulation and detoxification. This mechanical movement stimulates lung tissue to stay elastic and healthy. Inside the lungs, type 2 alveolar cells act as quiet guardians. They produce surfactant, a slippery substance that keeps alveoli open, and they divide to regenerate damaged alveolar cells. Picture these type 2 cells as tiny glowing orbs, restoring the structure of delicate air sacs. Your lungs also filter particles, bacteria, and pollutants, clearing them through cilia, microscopic hairs that sweep debris upward where it's swallowed or expelled. These cilia regenerate quickly, especially during periods of rest and hydration. Even your blood vessels regenerate. The pulmonary capillaries surrounding alveoli constantly repair themselves, keeping oxygen transfer efficient. Each breath improves circulation, delivering nutrients that guide tissue repair. Now imagine a cool blue light filling your lungs, soothing inflammation, opening pathways, refreshing every cell. With every inhale, you bring in life. With every exhale, you release the remnants of the day, physical, emotional, and energetic. Your lungs are not fragile. They are resilient, intelligent, and regenerative. Let your breath deepen a little more and feel how each inhale brings renewal to your entire body. Our journey continues soon. Let your breath drift softly, like ripples moving across a calm lake. As your body sinks deeper into stillness, we turn now to 2 of the most quietly heroic organs in your entire being, your kidneys, the twin guardians that cleanse, balance, and regenerate the inner waters of your life. Your kidneys filter around 150 to 180 liters of blood-derived fluid every single day, extracting waste, toxins, excess salts, and metabolic byproducts. From that flow, they refine roughly 1.5 to 2 liters of urine, returning the rest, clean, balanced, perfectly adjusted, back to your bloodstream. And they do all of this silently, continuously, without pause. Imagine now 2 small, warm shapes resting beneath your ribcage, each about the size of your fist, glowing gently in the darkness of your abdomen. With each slow breath, picture a soft current of light moving through them, purifying, adjusting, restoring. Your kidneys contain around 1 million nephrons each, tiny filtration units that regenerate under the right conditions. For decades, scientists believed nephrons only declined with age, but modern studies show that kidney progenitor cells can form new nephron-like structures, especially when inflammation is low and blood flow is steady. In moments of deep rest like this, renal circulation improves, giving these regenerative cells the oxygen and nutrients they need to work. Within the nephron, the glomerulus filters your blood, while the tubules adjust minerals, electrolytes, and water. These tubules can regenerate after injury through a beautiful process called dedifferentiation and redifferentiation. Cells temporarily returning to a more youthful, flexible state before growing back into mature forms. Your kidneys, in their quiet way, remember how to heal. Your renal system also plays a vital role in hormone production. The kidneys release erythropoietin, EPO, which stimulates your bone marrow to form new red blood cells, giving you energy, vitality, and endurance. They also regulate renin, which controls blood pressure, and work with vitamin D to support bone health and immune function. Stress constricts blood flow to the kidneys, slowing their regenerative work. But in the calm you're cultivating, slow breath, softened muscles, balanced heartbeat, renal arteries widen, filtration becomes more efficient, inflammation decreases, healing pathways open. Imagine now gentle streams passing through your kidneys, carrying away debris from the day, dissolving tension you didn't know you were holding, clearing emotional residues too. In many traditions, the kidneys symbolize fear and resilience. As you rest deeply, fear softens and resilience expands. Your inner waters are renewing themselves. Your body is finding equilibrium. Your kidneys continue their serene, tireless work, giving you a fresh internal world with every passing hour. Feel warmth spreading through your chest, down your arms, through your hands, circulating gently with your breath. Now we explore one of the most profoundly regenerative systems in your entire body, your blood, the river of life that renews itself cell by cell, moment by moment. Your blood is not a static substance. It is a living, evolving ecosystem flowing inside you. Every day, your body produces around 200 billion new blood cells, each with a purpose, each designed to support healing, immunity, and vitality. Begin with your red blood cells, about 25 trillion of them, carrying oxygen from your lungs to your tissues. These cells live for about 120 days before being recycled by the spleen and replaced by new ones. This constant turnover ensures that your body always has fresh carriers of oxygen, ready to feed cellular repair. Now imagine your white blood cells, your immune guardians. Neutrophils live only a few hours, constantly renewed to respond to threats. Lymphocytes regenerate from bone marrow and lymph nodes, learning and remembering pathogens to keep you safe. Monocytes become macrophages, clearing away old debris to create space for healing. This continual regeneration allows your immune system to remain adaptable, intelligent, and resilient. Your platelets, essential for clotting and wound repair, regenerate every 7 to 10 days. They rush toward injuries, even microscopic ones you never notice, forming protective seals while releasing growth factors that activate local stem cells. This harmony between blood and tissue forms the foundation of regeneration throughout your body. All of these cells originate in your bone marrow, where hematopoietic stem cells live like glowing seeds beneath the surface. These stem cells remain in a state of quiet readiness, dividing just enough to replenish your blood without exhausting themselves. Deep rest, slow breathing, and low inflammation nourish these stem cells, allowing them to produce healthier, more efficient blood cells. Your blood also carries nutrients, hormones, electrolytes, and healing molecules to every corner of your body. During deep rest, circulation shifts inward, prioritizing organs and tissues needing repair. Nitric oxide levels rise, blood vessels widen, and oxygen delivery improves. Picture your bloodstream now as a vast river of warm, glowing light flowing through you, carrying renewal to your lungs, your muscles, your skin, your organs, washing away the remnants of the day. With each slow inhale, fresh oxygen enters this river. With each exhale, carbon dioxide is released, clearing metabolic fog from your internal world. Your blood becomes the bridge between your breath and your cells, delivering regeneration with every beat. You are not still inside. You are flowing, renewing, rebirthing continuously. Let your breath drift in softly and glide out like a warm wind settling through the trees. Tonight, we turn our attention to the silent conductors of regeneration, your endocrine glands, the hormone-producing centers that shape nearly every healing process within you. Think of your endocrine system as a constellation, each gland a star sending gentle signals through your bloodstream. These signals are whispers, not shouts, guiding your cells to rest, repair, and rebalance. Begin with the pituitary gland, the master gland, resting deep within your brain, about the size of a pea, yet powerful enough to orchestrate bodily renewal. During deep rest, it releases growth hormone, stimulating tissue repair, muscle regeneration, collagen synthesis, and fat metabolism. Growth hormone also activates IGF-1, which promotes healing at the cellular level. Imagine this tiny gland glowing softly, sending pulses of restorative energy through your body. Nearby lies the pineal gland, your inner timekeeper. When darkness falls and calm returns, it produces melatonin, not only a sleep hormone, but a powerful antioxidant that protects DNA, reduces inflammation, and supports immune regeneration. As you breathe slowly, imagine melatonin spreading through your bloodstream like a cool, starry mist. Move down to your throat, where the thyroid gland rests like a small butterfly. It controls your metabolic rate, the speed at which your cells produce energy and regenerate. In moments of deep calm, your thyroid functions more smoothly, optimizing oxygen use, cellular repair, and hormonal balance. Picture it fluttering softly with each breath. Now, wander deeper into your chest to the thymus gland, which sits behind your sternum. Though it shrinks with age, it remains essential for training your immune cells, especially T cells. These cells learn to distinguish friend from foe, guiding healing and defense. In restful states like the one you are entering now, thymic activity becomes more efficient, supporting immune clarity. Slide downward to your adrenal glands, perched like small caps above each kidney. Most know them for releasing stress hormones, but they also regulate inflammation, blood pressure, and electrolyte balance. In calm states, cortisol drops and DHEA rises, promoting resilience, tissue repair, and hormonal harmony. Let your breath soothe these tiny glands. Continue to your abdomen, where the pancreas releases insulin and glucagon, hormones that regulate blood sugar, energy availability, and metabolic healing. Balanced blood sugar enhances cellular repair and mitochondrial function. In the softness of this moment, insulin sensitivity improves, preparing your body for restoration. Move deeper still to your pelvis, where the reproductive glands reside. Estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone influence bone health, muscle maintenance, collagen production, and neural repair. Balanced reproductive hormones support long-term regeneration across your entire body. Now imagine your entire endocrine system glowing like a constellation, each gland pulsing gently, harmonizing your inner world. Hormones flowing with precision, tissues receiving quiet instructions, regeneration unfolding in perfect rhythm. Your inner universe is aligning. Your body is listening. You are healing. Let yourself drift deeper into this hormonal symphony. The journey continues soon. Let your mind soften, like mist settling over a quiet valley. As your breath slows, we enter one of the most extraordinary realms of human regeneration. Your nervous system, the vast electric network that rewires itself continually to support your growth, healing, and emotional balance. Your nervous system is not fixed. It is fluid, adaptable, plastic. With every thought, every breath, every moment of calm, it reshapes itself. This phenomenon is known as neuroplasticity, the brain and nerve's ability to reorganize their connections and create new pathways. Right now, as you drift deeper into rest, your neurons are entering a state that scientists call synaptic homeostasis, where unnecessary connections fade and essential ones strengthen. This nightly pruning supports mental clarity, emotional stability, and cognitive resilience. Your peripheral nerves, those running through your arms, legs, chest, and abdomen, also regenerate. Damaged axons can regrow at about 1 millimeter per day, guided by Schwann cells that act like repair scaffolding. Calm states like this reduce inflammation around nerves, increasing the efficiency of this regrowth. Your spinal cord, the central river of your nervous system, conducts signals from your brain to the rest of your body. During deep rest, cerebrospinal fluid circulates more freely, washing away metabolic byproducts and supporting neural repair. Your autonomic nervous system, the balance between sympathetic, fight or flight, and parasympathetic, rest and digest, shifts dramatically during relaxation. Slow, diaphragmatic breathing stimulates the vagus nerve, activating parasympathetic pathways. When the vagus nerve fires, heart rate slows, inflammation decreases, digestion improves, and tissue repair accelerates. Imagine this nerve stretching from your brainstem down into your chest and abdomen, glowing like a soft thread of light. Your enteric nervous system, the second brain in your gut, also communicates with your central nervous system, sending signals that influence mood, immunity, and healing. This bidirectional communication strengthens during calm, allowing better emotional processing and deeper regeneration. Even your glial cells, once thought to be mere support cells, are now understood as active participants in repair. Astrocytes regulate neurotransmitters. Oligodendrocytes repair myelin sheaths around nerves. Microglia prune synapses and remove damaged cells. In states of deep rest, glial activation shifts from defense to maintenance and repair. Imagine now your entire nervous system illuminated from within. Neurons sparking faintly, like stars connected by invisible threads. Glial cells smoothing and nourishing. Nerves repairing their myelin. Brain waves slowing into theta and delta frequencies. Electric signals flowing more harmoniously. You are rewiring. You are renewing. You are releasing what no longer serves you. Let yourself melt further into this softness. Whole body regeneration is unfolding in ways you cannot see, but deeply feel. Let your breath drift a little slower. Feel the air moving in like a warm tide and slipping out like a soft whisper. As your body sinks deeper into this soothing stillness, we turn our attention to one of the most mysterious, misunderstood, and essential regenerative systems in your entire body. The fascia, the three-dimensional web of connective tissue that surrounds, supports, and senses every structure within you. Most people imagine fascia as mere wrapping, but fascia is alive, rich with nerves, blood vessels, fibroblasts, collagen fibers, and mechanoreceptors. It is a continuous network stretching from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, binding your organs, muscles, bones, and tissues together into one synchronized whole. When you move, fascia glides. When you rest, fascia hydrates and repairs itself. And when you enter a deep, safe state like this, fascia begins regenerating with remarkable efficiency. Imagine now a shimmering web of silvery threads just beneath your skin, glowing softly. This web transmits mechanical signals 10 times faster than nerves, adjusting tension, posture, and internal pressure. Fascia also holds emotional memory, tight shoulders from stress, tension around the ribs from old fear, stiffness in the hips from unspoken grief. But tonight, in this calm, your fascia begins to release. Fibroblasts, the cells that produce collagen, respond directly to your emotional state. When stress is high, they tighten fascia, making it dense and sticky. But in deep relaxation, fibroblasts soften the matrix, allowing hydration and elasticity to return. This is why a quiet moment can feel like a physical release, because it truly is. Fascia regenerates through collagen remodeling, a slow dance where old fibers break down and new ones form in their place. This process accelerates when your breath is deep, your muscles relaxed, and your nervous system grounded in parasympathetic calm. With each slow inhale, imagine warm fluid flowing through this inner web, nourishing every thread. With each exhale, picture stiffness melting, replaced by flexibility and ease. Your fascia also houses immune cells that monitor inflammation. When you are calm, these cells shift into healing mode, releasing molecules that promote tissue repair. Blood flow improves. Scar tissue softens, microadhesions dissolve. Inside the abdomen, the visceral fascia supports your organs. When you breathe deeply, your diaphragm massages this region, improving lymphatic flow, blood circulation, and organ mobility. Your liver glides gently, your stomach relaxes, your intestines release tension. Everything becomes more harmonious. Fascia is the orchestra that keeps your body's movements fluid and your healing processes connected. Tonight, it is regenerating. Quietly, beautifully, patiently. Let yourself drift deeper. Your whole body softening like warm wax. Your inner web renewing itself with each breath. Let the calm deepen. Let your jaw soften. Let your eyelids grow heavier. Now, we explore a realm you use every moment of your life, yet rarely consider as regenerative. Your senses, vision, hearing, smell, taste, and touch, each constantly renewing to help you experience the world with clarity and presence. Begin with your eyes. The cells in your cornea renew every 7 to 10 days. The rods and cones in your retina regenerate their outer segments daily. Even the tear film refreshes itself every few seconds. During deep rest, ocular muscles relax, relieving strain accumulated from screens and light. In this softness, your visual system repairs microdamage and restores clarity. Imagine a cool, silver-blue glow washing over your eyes, soothing, calming, renewing. Next, drift to your ears. The hair cells in your inner ear, once thought incapable of regeneration, show small but meaningful capacity to repair and calm physiological states. The auditory cortex in your brain rewires itself constantly, filtering noise, improving clarity, and strengthening pathways that bring peace instead of stress. As you rest, this system resets its sensitivity, reducing internal noise and restoring balance. Feel your inner world quieting, like snow settling in a silent forest. Move now to your sense of smell. The olfactory system is one of the fastest regenerating tissues in the human body. Olfactory neurons renew every 30 to 60 days, guided by stem cells deep in the nasal cavity. These neurons help shape memory and emotion, and as they regenerate, they refresh your perception of the world. Imagine the air around you as soft, clean, effortless. Your sense of taste also regenerates. Taste receptor cells on your tongue live only about 10 to 14 days, endlessly replaced by new cells that help you experience sweetness, bitterness, sourness, saltiness, and umami. Deep rest lowers inflammation in the mouth, creating an ideal environment for these cells to renew. Finally, your sense of touch. Your entire skin filled with mechanoreceptors that regenerate regularly. Slow, mindful breathing improves blood flow to these receptors, enhancing their healing and resetting their sensitivity. When you rest deeply, your body recalibrates how it perceives pressure, warmth, and comfort. Your senses are not fixed. They restore themselves constantly. And right now, in this quiet darkness, they are resetting back to harmony. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gently, knowing that every sense you possess is renewing itself in silence. The journey continues deeper, and your healing deepens with it. Let your breath deepen. Let the space around your ribs soften, and feel yourself drifting inward as though floating down a slow, moonlit river. Now, we enter a realm of regeneration few people ever think about. The spleen, the silent guardian of your blood, your immunity, and your cellular rebirth. Your spleen rests just beneath your left rib cage, warm and hidden, like a soft plum of living tissue. It is often overlooked, yet it performs some of the most essential healing work in your body. Every moment, it filters old or damaged red blood cells, recycles iron, produces immune cells, and monitors your bloodstream for signs of imbalance. And it regenerates itself too, quietly, continuously. Imagine your spleen now, glowing with a dim crimson light. As you inhale gently, picture that light brightening. And as you exhale, feel it settling deeper into harmony. Your spleen contains regions called red pulp and white pulp. The red pulp acts like a recycling center, breaking down aged cells and reclaiming their components. The white pulp, rich with lymphocytes, serves as an immune training ground where your body learns to distinguish friend from foe. During deep rest, the state you're approaching now, your spleen's regenerative processes accelerate. Oxygen-rich blood flows more freely. Immune cells migrate more efficiently. Macrophages clear cellular debris with greater precision. This is not passive rest. It is active healing. Your spleen also holds a reserve of fresh blood cells, ready to release them during stress, exercise, or injury. It is your body's hidden reservoir, supporting regeneration during moments of demand. But in calm states like this, it shifts into restoration, healing microtears in tissue, producing new immune cells, and balancing inflammation. Within the spleen, stromal cells create a supportive environment for stem cells. These niches release growth factors that help replenish lymphocytes, improving your long-term immune resilience. This is one reason deep rest boosts your immunity. Your spleen finally has the stillness it needs to regenerate. Even your emotions affect the spleen. In traditional medical systems, it's linked to worry and overthinking. Modern science supports this connection. Chronic stress alters splenic blood flow, suppressing regenerative function. But as you breathe slowly, as your thoughts soften, your spleen returns to balance. Imagine now a gentle, ruby-colored light swirling through your left side, purifying your blood, supporting your immune system, renewing your inner vitality. You are healing from deep within. Let yourself drift further, deeper, held by the quiet intelligence of your body. Let your belly soften. Let the breath flow low and warm, like a candle flickering behind your navel. Now, we explore two organs working together in a constant cycle of breakdown, transformation, and renewal. Your stomach and your pancreas. Your stomach is more than a container. It is a dynamic, muscular organ lined with regenerative cells. Every 2 to 4 days, its inner surface renews itself entirely. One of the fastest turnovers in the human body. This constant rebirth protects you from acids strong enough to dissolve metal. These acids break down food, release nutrients, and create the environment that shapes your entire digestive world. Inside the folds of your stomach, the rugae, lie stem cells that replace damaged or old epithelial cells. As you rest deeply, blood flow increases to the digestive organs, carrying oxygen and nutrients essential for regeneration. Imagine these folds now, glowing softly with warmth, renewing their lining, strengthening their protective barrier. Your pancreas, resting quietly behind your stomach, is a remarkable organ of both digestion and hormonal regulation. It secretes enzymes that break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, and it regenerates the cells that create these enzymes regularly. But even more extraordinary is its islets of Langerhans, which contain insulin and glucagon-producing cells. For years, scientists believed these cells barely regenerated. But recent discoveries reveal that pancreatic cells can differentiate, transforming from one cell type into another when needed. In states of deep calm like the one you're drifting into now, pancreatic regeneration increases, inflammation decreases, oxidative stress falls, and insulin sensitivity improves. Your pancreas becomes more efficient, more balanced, more capable of guiding your inner chemistry. Your stomach and pancreas communicate constantly through hormones like ghrelin, somatostatin, and cholecystokinin. During rest, these hormone levels stabilize, supporting digestion, nutrient absorption, metabolic healing, and energy balance. Your gut-brain connection grows clearer. Your vagus nerve signals safety. Imagine now your stomach glowing in warm gold and your pancreas in soft amber, gently harmonizing, enzymes restoring, acids balancing, hormones regulating, tissues repairing. You are not merely digesting, you are renewing. Every organ you possess is listening to your breath, responding to calm, returning to balance. Let your belly rise and fall like a quiet tide, deepening your journey into whole-body regeneration. When you're ready, we will continue further inward. Let your breath slow, drifting down into the soft space behind your pelvis. As your body sinks deeper into rest, we turn to the regenerative rhythms of your reproductive system. Organs often spoken of only in terms of function, but rarely in terms of healing, rebirth, and deep biological intelligence. Whether male or female, your reproductive organs are among the most regenerative tissues in the human body. They operate on cycles, monthly, daily, and even moment to moment. And these cycles shape everything from hormone levels to cellular renewal to emotional balance. If you have ovaries, imagine them now as two small clusters of warm, luminous tissue resting gently on either side of your pelvis. Every month, they recruit a group of follicles, tiny, fluid-filled spheres, and allow one to mature, guided by a choreography of hormones released by the brain. Most follicles never become eggs. Instead, they undergo atresia, a natural process where they dissolve and regenerate. This cycle of creation and release is a profound reminder. Your body is always beginning anew, even on a cellular level. Your uterus also regenerates with extraordinary speed. Its innermost layer, the endometrium, grows, sheds, and regrows in a rhythm as old as human existence. This cycle is not destruction. It is renewal. Each month, new blood vessels form, new tissue emerges, new signaling pathways unfold. During deep rest, blood flow to the pelvis improves, enhancing endometrial repair and supporting healthy cellular turnover. If you have testes, imagine them now as two warm, steady sources of cellular creation. They produce around 100 to 200 million sperm every day, a staggering example of continuous regeneration. Sertoli cells nourish developing sperm, while Leydig cells produce testosterone, a hormone essential not only for reproduction, but for muscle repair, bone strength, mood stability, and red blood cell formation. During calm states like this, testosterone regulation improves, inflammation decreases, and sperm health benefits directly from reduced oxidative stress. Both male and female reproductive systems respond to emotional states. Chronic stress reduces fertility hormones, slows cellular regeneration, and disrupts reproductive rhythms. But deep relaxation, the kind you're feeling now, allows gonadotropin-releasing hormone to flow more steadily from the brain, restoring balance. Blood vessels open, pelvic muscles relax, tissue healing increases. Even the pelvic floor, a bowl of muscles supporting your entire lower body, responds to this calm. When stress fades, tension releases, allowing better circulation and improved cellular repair in the organs it cradles. Imagine now a warm glow spreading across your pelvis, softening, balancing, renewing. Your reproductive system, often ignored unless something is wrong, is regenerating quietly, beautifully, with every slow breath you take. Let yourself drift deeper, knowing your cycles of renewal continue even in stillness. Feel your breath rise gently into your face, your temples, the space behind your eyes. Tonight, we enter the sanctuary of your skull, not as a rigid shell, but as a living structure filled with regenerative potential. And within it, we explore your cranial nerves, the delicate highways connecting your senses, emotions, and internal healing. Your skull consists of 22 bones, most of which are joined by sutures. These sutures are not fused, immovable plates. They are living joints, allowing micro movements that support circulation and cerebrospinal fluid flow. These subtle motions, often less than the width of a hair, help your brain detoxify, regulate pressure, and maintain balance. In calm states like this, these micro movements become smoother, enhancing inner repair. Inside this protective chamber, lies the most intricate communication system in your body. 12 pairs of cranial nerves, each with a unique regenerative rhythm. The olfactory nerve renews constantly, allowing your sense of smell to refresh. The optic nerve adapts and repairs its pathways with every moment of rest, improving visual processing. The trigeminal nerve regenerates its sensory fibers, calming tension in the jaw and face. The facial nerve controls expression and emotion, rewiring itself as you shift into peace. The vestibulocochlear nerve supports balance and hearing, resetting its sensitivity each night. The vagus nerve, the great healer, stretches deep into your chest and abdomen. And tonight, it is glowing, activating your parasympathetic state. Imagine a warm silver light flowing across these nerves, smoothing their paths, calming their signals, refreshing their rhythms. Cranial nerves do more than transmit sensation. They shape how you experience the world. When they regenerate, your entire perception becomes clearer, softer, more grounded. Your cranial meninges, the protective layers around your brain, contain immune cells that renew during sleep, removing inflammatory molecules and supporting neurological healing. Cerebrospinal fluid circulates more powerfully when you rest, sweeping away metabolic waste and delivering nutrients to neurons. Even the bones of your jaw, sinuses, and facial structure regenerate. Their marrow produces immune cells. Their membranes heal micro-injuries from tension, grinding, speech, and expression. During deep breath work, these areas receive more oxygen, allowing tissues to restore themselves. Now imagine your entire head bathed in soft moonlight, your skull, breathing micro-movements, your cranial nerves humming with gentle electricity, your brain renewing in quiet waves, your perception clearing, softening, brightening. You are not simply resting. You are regenerating the way you see, hear, feel, and experience life. Let your breath fall into an even softer rhythm, rising like a calm wave, settling like mist on a quiet morning. Tonight, we travel deeper into one of your most elegant and regenerative systems, the lymphatic network. The vessels, nodes, and flowing rivers that detoxify, nourish, and restore you in silence. The lymphatic system is your second circulatory system, running parallel to your veins. Yet unlike blood, lymph has no pump. It moves because you move, because your diaphragm rises and falls, because your muscles contract and release, because your heartbeat pulses like a gentle drum. And when you enter this slow parasympathetic state, lymph moves with its greatest clarity. Imagine thousands of delicate vessels shimmering beneath your skin like silver threads. These vessels carry lymph, a clear fluid rich in immune cells, nutrients, and cellular debris. Every breath you take pulls lymph upward through your thoracic duct, returning it to your bloodstream freshly filtered and ready to support healing. At intervals along these vessels lie lymph nodes, small, bean-like sanctuaries that filter impurities. They hold B cells, T cells, macrophages, and dendritic cells, all of them quietly scanning what passes through. During deep rest, blood flow to lymph nodes rises by as much as 30%, increasing immune surveillance and the clearance of toxins. Picture these nodes glowing like little lanterns scattered throughout your neck, armpits, chest, abdomen, and groin. As lymph flows through them, impurities dissolve, old immune cells are recycled, antibodies adjust, inflammation calms, regeneration begins. Your lymphatic vessels also remove metabolic waste from tissues, lactate, old proteins, fragments of damaged cells. When lymph flow slows, swelling and fatigue rise. But in this relaxed state, with your muscles soft and your breath slow, lymph drains effortlessly, carrying away what your body no longer needs. Even more magical is the lymphatic system, the brain's nighttime lymphatic pathway. During deep rest, your brain cells shrink slightly, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flush out toxins like beta amyloid. This process increases up to 20-fold during sleep and deep relaxation. Imagine now a cool blue stream flowing through the valleys of your brain, clearing debris, refreshing neural pathways, preparing your mind for clarity tomorrow. Your lymphatic system supports fat absorption, nutrient transport, immune regulation, and tissue repair. It is not passive, it is responsive. When you breathe gently, lymph accelerates. When your heart rhythm is coherent, lymph vessels widen. When your mind softens, the entire system harmonizes. Now imagine your entire body filled with a soft, internal river system, light gliding through each vessel, nodes glowing like constellations, toxins dissolving, tissues renewing. With every slow breath, you are cleansing yourself from the inside out. Drift deeper. Your inner rivers are flowing freely. Take a slow inhale. Feel your ribs open like gentle wings, and exhale just as slowly, letting everything within you settle. Now we reach one of the most profound truths of human regeneration. Stem cells, the innate fountains of renewal flowing quietly through your entire body. Stem cells are the architects of healing. Unlike other cells, they do not have a fixed identity. They can become muscle, bone, blood, nerve, skin, or organ tissue. They emerge from your bone marrow, your fat tissue, your skin, your gut, your brain, and even from the lining of your blood vessels. They move through your body like tiny sparks of potential. Imagine them now, millions of small, luminous seeds drifting through your bloodstream, resting in your marrow, nestled within your tissues. When your body senses damage, inflammation, or imbalance, these seeds awaken. They migrate toward the signal, guided by chemical gradients, electrical cues, and even mechanical forces like movement and breath. Your bone marrow produces mesenchymal stem cells, versatile cells that repair bone, cartilage, muscle, and connective tissue. These stem cells respond immediately to stress, but regenerate most effectively during sleep and deep calm. Right now, your marrow is more active, more open, more ready to create. Your gut contains intestinal stem cells that renew the lining every few days. Your skin contains epidermal stem cells that rebuild your outer layers. Your muscles contain satellite stem cells waiting beneath each fiber. Your lungs contain alveolar stem cells that form new air sacs when needed. Even your brain contains neural stem cells, especially in the hippocampus, producing new neurons that support memory, emotional healing, and resilience. Stem cells thrive in a low inflammation environment, and your slow breath is giving them exactly that. Cortisol falls, blood vessels widen, oxygen increases, growth factors rise. Your body enters the perfect state for regeneration. Now imagine your stem cells glowing brightly, responding to your calm, moving toward areas needing repair, rebuilding, restoring, renewing. They mend microtears in muscle. They reinforce fragile connective tissue. They refresh the lining of your organs. They replace old blood cells. They soothe inflammation in joints. They build new pathways in your brain. You are not aging passively. You are renewing from the inside. Your stem cells are listening to your breath. They are responding to your stillness. They are building a new you with every moment of rest. Let yourself drift deeper. The fountains of renewal within you are overflowing quietly, steadily, beautifully. Let your breath fall into its softest rhythm yet, a gentle wave rising and settling, rising and settling. As your body melts into comfort, we now explore one of the most subtle, profound, and scientifically fascinating aspects of human regeneration: your electromagnetic field. The invisible architecture of healing, surrounding, and shaping everything inside you. Every cell in your body carries an electric charge. Every heartbeat creates a pulse of electromagnetic energy. Every nerve impulse sends ripples of electricity through your tissues. And all of this forms a field, dynamic, shifting, intelligent, that science is only beginning to understand. Imagine this field now as a warm, golden aura around your body, shimmering gently with each breath. The heart produces the strongest electromagnetic field in the human body, measurable several feet beyond your skin. This field changes with your emotions. Coherent, calm emotions create smooth heart rhythms, which in turn produce more harmonious electromagnetic patterns. These patterns influence brain waves, hormone release, and cellular regeneration. Right now, as your breath slows, your heart's field becomes steady and coherent, guiding your body toward balance. Your brain produces electrical oscillations, alpha, theta, delta waves, each tied to different healing functions. Theta waves support emotional repair. Delta waves fuel physical regeneration. As you drift deeper, your brain's electromagnetic rhythms synchronize with your heartbeat, creating a powerful internal harmony. Your nerves generate electric currents as ions move across their membranes. These currents guide growth, repair, and the regrowth of damaged axons. Rest increases the efficiency of these electrical signals, making nerve regeneration easier. Even your bones produce small electric fields when stressed, a phenomenon called piezoelectricity. These fields guide osteoblasts toward areas of need, ensuring that bone remodeling happens precisely where required. Your cells communicate through bioelectric gradients, tiny voltage differences that tell them where to move, how to grow, and when to divide. This bioelectric code underlies tissue formation, limb regeneration in animals, and wound healing in humans. During deep rest, your cellular voltage becomes more stable, allowing this communication to become clearer and more efficient. Now imagine your entire body pulsing softly with electricity, every beat of your heart sending out waves, every brainwave adding quiet structure, every cell humming with energy. This internal symphony creates a field that does more than reflect your state. It shapes it. Your electromagnetic field affects inflammation patterns, immune coordination, hormone secretion, cellular communication, stem cell migration, tissue repair, emotional clarity, nervous system balance, and all of it responds instantly to your breath. As you exhale slowly, imagine your electromagnetic field smoothing into long, gentle waves of light. As you inhale, imagine it filling with strength, coherence, and order. You are not just flesh and bone. You are a luminous organism, guided by currents of invisible energy. Tonight, That energy is harmonizing itself, bringing your entire being into alignment. Let yourself drift deeper into this glowing field, where healing becomes effortless. Sink a little deeper. Feel your breath wrapping softly around your ribs, your pelvis, your spine. Now, we enter one of the deepest territories of regeneration, the biological memory stored within your tissues, and how rest allows your body to release what it no longer needs. Your body remembers everything, not consciously, not as stories, but as patterns, tensions, electrical imprints, biochemical echoes held within your nervous system, fascia, organs, and even your cells. These memories are not mistakes. They are protective adaptations formed to help you survive. But when they persist too long, they block the pathways of regeneration. Tonight, those pathways are opening. Start with your nervous system. When you experience stress, your brain forms neural loops, quick response pathways designed for protection. When the threat passes but the loop remains active, your body stays tense, reactive, inflamed. In deep rest, however, the brain engages in synaptic pruning, removing old loops and strengthening healthier ones. Emotional memories soften, survival responses quiet, healing becomes possible. Then your fascia, the connective web beneath your skin, stores emotional tension. Humans often hold sadness in the chest, fear in the gut, anger in the jaw, and grief in the hips. In states like this, fascia becomes more hydrated, elastic, and less constricted. The emotional charge stored in the tissue begins to melt, allowing fresh blood flow and cellular repair. Your muscles store memory too. Micro-tensions formed during stressful experiences can linger for years, but when breath becomes slow and the vagus nerve activates, muscles shift from guarding to releasing. This release itself sends regenerative signals through your entire body. Your organs carry cellular memory as well. The liver holds emotional heat. The kidneys store fear. The stomach holds anxiety. The heart carries deep tenderness and ache. Science shows that emotional stress changes organ blood flow, hormone levels, and even gene expression. But deep relaxation reverses these patterns, restoring circulation, reducing inflammation, and allowing tissues to renew. Even your immune system remembers. Chronic stress trains immune cells to become more reactive. But in rest, the immune system shifts to tolerance and repair. Memory T cells recalibrate. Microglia in the brain quiet. Inflammation fades like a distant echo. Now, imagine a soft, warm light traveling through your body, moving slowly down your spine, through your ribs, across your abdomen, into your limbs. Everywhere this light passes, old patterns loosen. Stored tension dissolves. Emotional echoes release. Your inner world becomes spacious, open, ready for renewal. Your past is not gone. It has simply been integrated, softened, healed. And in this softness, your body remembers something deeper than pain. It remembers how to regenerate, how to return to balance, how to begin again. Let your breath drift in, soft and easy, and let it drift out even softer. Tonight, we step into one of the most elegant forces guiding your entire healing process, the circadian rhythm, the internal clock that orchestrates cellular renewal across your whole body. Inside nearly every cell you have lies a tiny molecular clock built from proteins that rise and fall over a 24-hour cycle. These clocks synchronize with light, darkness, temperature, hormones, food, emotion, and breath. They tell your body when to repair DNA, when to release hormones, when to generate energy, and when to rest. Imagine now a soft pulse of light inside your chest, ticking gently with the rhythm of your breath. Your circadian system is not just a schedule, it is a healing blueprint. The suprachiasmatic nucleus in your brain acts as the master clock. During daylight, it signals alertness, metabolism, and energy. As you enter darkness and calm, it releases messages that guide your body toward regeneration. Melatonin rises, cortisol falls, growth hormone pulses, cellular repair accelerates. Every organ follows this rhythm. Your liver detoxifies most efficiently at night. Your heart lowers its workload to support tissue renewal. Your lungs deepen their repair cycles. Your skin increases collagen production. Your immune system becomes more active in surveillance and repair. Your brain intensifies lymphatic cleansing, washing away metabolic waste. Right now, as you sink into rest, your circadian genes, PR, clock, BML1, CRY, are aligning themselves like instruments in a nighttime orchestra. When these genes are in harmony, your body heals faster, ages slower, and functions with more clarity. Even your mitochondria follow circadian rhythms. They change shape, efficiency, and energy output depending on the time of day. In deep rest, they enter a state of repair, patching damaged membranes and creating fresh ATP for tomorrow. Your breath influences this clock as well. Slow breathing signals nighttime physiology, shifting your autonomic nervous system into parasympathetic dominance, the state where regeneration becomes effortless. With each exhale, you are reminding your body, this is the moment to heal. Imagine your body surrounded by a slow-moving field of light, rotating like a gentle cosmic cycle. Each rotation renewing your tissues, each breath aligning your inner clocks. You are not just resting, you are syncing your biology with the rhythm of life itself. Let yourself drift deeper into this harmony. Feel your body grow heavier, your breath softer, your awareness quieter. Now we enter the central engine of whole body regeneration, sleep itself, a biological masterpiece that rewires, restores, detoxifies, and renews every system you have. Sleep is not unconsciousness. It is an active, coordinated process of physical and emotional rebirth. As you begin to drift towards sleep-like calm, your brain descends through cycles, N1, N2, N3, deep sleep, and REM, each with its own healing function. In deep sleep, also called slow-wave sleep, growth hormone peaks, tissue repair accelerates, muscle fibers rebuild, collagen synthesis increases, inflammation decreases, DNA repair intensifies, lymphatic cleansing clears toxins, immune memory strengthens. In REM sleep, emotional memories integrate, stress circuits reset, synapses reorganize, creativity increases, trauma softens, neural pathways strengthen. This nightly cycle is the foundation of your regeneration. Miss it, and your healing slows. Enter it deeply, and your body rebuilds itself from the inside out. Even now, drifting in this quiet state, your brain waves are softening into alpha and theta frequencies, the bridge between wakefulness and deep renewal. In theta, your nervous system relaxes. In alpha, your sensory pathways quiet. These states alone reduce inflammation, lower cortisol, and activate cellular repair. Your heart rate slows, your digestion resets, your blood vessels widen, your muscles release, your organs shift into restoration mode. During this descent, your immune system becomes more intelligent. Natural killer cells increase, Microglia in the brain prune unnecessary synapses. Bone marrow releases fresh white blood cells. Your entire body becomes a healing chamber. Even your emotions regenerate during sleep-like states. The amygdala calms. The prefrontal cortex strengthens. Old emotional loops dissolve. Dreams, whether remembered or not, help integrate past experiences, leaving your mind clearer by morning. Imagine now a soft midnight blue wave rising from beneath you, holding your body gently. With each breath, the wave lifts and falls, carrying you deeper into stillness. Your cells listen to this rhythm. Your immune system responds. Your organs rest in its softness. You are not falling asleep. You are entering the biological sanctuary where your body rebuilds itself. Every second in this state is a gift to your future health. Let yourself drift deeper. Your regeneration is already unfolding. Let your breath soften. Let your belly rise and fall as if warmed by a gentle candle inside. Tonight, we sink into one of the most extraordinary ecosystems in your entire being, your microbiome. Trillions of microorganisms that regenerate, adapt, and heal with astonishing speed. Your microbiome is not merely an accessory to your health. It is a living organ, a universe within you, a shifting constellation of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and archaea that together outnumber your human cells by at least 3 to 1. Picture this inner world now, a glowing galaxy inside your gut, where each microbe sparks like a tiny star. These organisms rebuild themselves rapidly. Many bacterial species divide every 20 minutes. Entire microbial communities shift overnight depending on your breath, sleep, emotions, and foods. During deep rest, your vagus nerve signals calm throughout your abdomen. Blood flow increases. Inflammation falls. This allows beneficial microbes, especially Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium, Akkermansia, Faecalibacterium, to flourish. These microbes create short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which fuel colon cells, reduce inflammation, and support regeneration throughout your entire body. Your microbiome also plays a direct role in immune system activation, neurotransmitter production, gut lining repair, mood regulation, metabolic healing, endocrine balance, and even epigenetic signaling. Around 90% of your serotonin is synthesized in the gut by enterochromaffin cells that communicate with microbes. When you are stressed, harmful bacteria grow and serotonin falls. But in moments like this, slow breath, soft thoughts, beneficial bacteria bloom, and neurotransmitters rebalance. Your microbiome also shapes your immune system. Microbial fragments train immune cells to distinguish friend from foe. A healthy microbiome reduces chronic inflammation and supports tissue regeneration. A balanced microbiome improves the repair of the gut lining, which renews every 2 to 5 days, creating a stronger barrier between you and the outside world. Even your metabolism is guided by microbes. They extract nutrients, produce vitamins, influence insulin sensitivity, and determine how efficiently your body uses energy. When you rest deeply, microbial diversity increases, leading to better digestion, reduced inflammation, and improved cellular repair. Now imagine your inner world glowing with soft golden light, each microbe humming in harmony, each cell receiving nourishment from this living ecosystem. The microbiome is constantly rebuilding, constantly adjusting, constantly healing. Your breath affects them. Your emotions affect them. Your sleep affects them. And right now, your entire microbiome is shifting toward repair. You are not alone in your body. You are a community, a symphony of life regenerating in perfect rhythm. Let yourself drift deeper. Your inner universe is renewing itself. Let your breath deepen. Let your chest soften. Let your inner world expand like dusk settling over a quiet landscape. Tonight, we explore something both scientific and almost poetic: the memory inside your organs and how they regenerate by learning from your experiences, adapting to your inner states, and rewriting themselves over time. Every organ in your body contains networks of cells that change based on what you've been through. This is not metaphor, it is biology. Your tissues carry patterns of stress, nourishment, tension, comfort, inflammation, and healing. But the most beautiful truth is this: organs can unlearn old patterns and regenerate new ones. Begin with your heart. Cardiomyocytes, though slow to replicate, can regenerate about 1% of their mass each year. But more importantly, your heart rewires its electrical pathways. Coherent emotions, compassion, ease, gratitude, reshape the heart's nervous network. Calm states strengthen regenerative peptides and nitric oxide signaling. Your heart remembers peace. Your liver remembers how to regrow after injury. Its hepatocytes divide faster when inflammation is low. Exactly the state you're creating now with each slow exhale. Your kidneys learn to filter more efficiently as blood pressure stabilizes and stress hormones fall. Their tubules regenerate through dedifferentiation, temporarily becoming more youthful. Your lungs regenerate alveolar cells based on your breathing patterns. Slow, deep breaths open dormant alveoli and stimulate stem cell-driven repair. Your skin regenerates based on hydration, emotional calm, and inflammatory balance. Stress constricts microvessels. Rest reopens them. Your gut rewrites its microbial and epithelial layers every few days, learning from each nutrient, each breath, each emotional shift. Even your immune system learns. Memory T cells remember past threats, but they also recalibrate during rest, becoming less reactive, more precise, more healing-oriented. Microglia in your brain prune synapses not only based on cognitive load, but based on emotional patterns. They remove circuits of fear, reinforce circuits of safety, and organize your inner world according to what your body believes is important. Right now, in this slow breathing, parasympathetic calm, your organs are choosing regeneration over defense, repair over reaction, harmony over survival mode. Imagine your entire torso glowing with soft amber light, each organ responding to the peace you're cultivating. Each one adjusting its rhythms, each one learning a new pattern, a pattern of healing. Your body is not a static machine. It is a memory-bearing, adaptive, regenerating organism that listens to your inner world. Tonight, it hears only one message: you are safe. You may heal. You may renew. Let your breath move in like a soft tide and flow out like a warm breeze slipping across quiet sand. As your body drifts deeper into ease, we arrive at one of the most miraculous layers of your biology. Your DNA repair systems, the molecular artisans that restore the integrity of your genetic blueprint every moment of your life. Inside each of your cells lies nearly 2 meters of DNA, folded carefully into the nucleus. This DNA is constantly under pressure from sunlight, oxygen, metabolism, emotions, and simple daily living. Yet your body has evolved extraordinary mechanisms to detect, fix, and renew these strands with precision. Without these repair systems, life would collapse. Tonight, these systems are active inside you, silently, tirelessly, beautifully. Imagine now a soft silver glow inside every cell. This is the light of repair. Your DNA undergoes tens of thousands of tiny breaks every day, but specialized enzymes glide along the strands like gentle artisans. NER, nucleotide excision repair, removes damaged sections from sunlight or toxins. BER, base excision repair, fixes small base errors created during metabolism. MMR, mismatch repair, corrects copying mistakes when DNA replicates. HR, homologous recombination, rebuilds broken strands using a perfect template. NHEJ, non-homologous end joining, reconnects pieces during emergencies. Each of these systems becomes more efficient when stress hormones are low, when your breath is slow, when your heart rhythm is calm, when your parasympathetic nervous system is active, exactly as you are right now. Deep relaxation increases antioxidant pathways, cellular oxygenation, ATP available for repair, telomerase activity, chromatin flexibility, mitochondrial DNA repair. Your telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes, shorten with stress, but they stabilize and may even lengthen during consistent calm. This renewal is not theoretical. It has been measured in scientific studies of breathwork, meditation, and deep rest. Imagine your DNA unwinding slightly with each inhale, releasing tension. And with each exhale, imagine repair enzymes sliding gracefully across the strands, stitching, polishing, renewing. Your cells are not aging passively. They are restoring themselves with every moment of calm you create. Let this truth sink into your breath, deeper, softer. Your very blueprint is healing. Let your breath come in warm and leave even warmer. Tonight, we explore the quiet scaffolding that supports your entire body: collagen, elastin, and the connective matrix. Powerful regenerative systems that rebuild your tissues at every level. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It forms the architecture of your skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, vessels, and organs. Elastin provides stretch, the gentle rebound in your skin, the flexibility of your arteries, the expansion of your lungs. Together, they form a living structure that regenerates continuously. Imagine these fibers now, shimmering strands woven throughout your entire body, glowing like threads of moonlight in a soft, intricate tapestry. Collagen is constantly being broken down and rebuilt. Stress accelerates breakdown through cortisol-driven pathways, but deep rest shifts the body into repair mode. Fibroblasts become more active, producing stronger collagen fibers. Elastin synthesis increases. The connective matrix becomes more hydrated, more flexible, more alive. Your connective tissues regenerate through cross-linking repair, which strengthens collagen bonds, proteoglycan renewal, restoring hydration, elastin fiber formation, improving elasticity, fibroblast activation, guiding tissue rebuilding, extracellular matrix remodeling, clearing old fibers. All of these processes accelerate during deep rest, the very state your breath is creating now. Your joints benefit as cartilage cells, chondrocytes repair microdamage. Your tendons soften and lengthen. Ligaments regain integrity. Fascia hydrates and glides more easily. Even your blood vessels, composed largely of connective tissue, become more elastic, improving circulation and overall vitality. Skin regeneration too deepens in this calm. Collagen production peaks during nighttime physiology. Inflammation decreases. Microcirculation increases. Wound healing accelerates. The skin's barrier repairs itself, preventing water loss and restoring its natural glow. Imagine your entire body wrapped in a network of living threads. These threads are renewing themselves gently with each breath. With every inhale, new fibers form. With every exhale, old stiffness dissolves. Your connective system is not static. It is weaving you anew. Your tissues remember how to be strong, flexible, youthful, and whole. And right now, they're returning to that memory. Let your body soften in this truth. You are being rewoven from the inside out. When you're ready, we will continue deeper into your regeneration journey. Let your breath move softly, like a feather drifting through still air. Tonight, we explore something both scientific and deeply human: coherence, the harmonious alignment between your thoughts, emotions, nervous system, and physiology. This alignment is one of the most powerful regenerative forces you possess. Coherence is not just calmness. It is a measurable biological state. When your breath slows, when your heart beats in a smooth rhythm, when your mind softens its edges, your body enters a synchronized pattern that enhances healing across every organ system. Imagine coherence now as a warm, golden sphere forming in your chest, expanding with each inhale, settling with each exhale. In coherent states, heart rate variability increases, cortisol drops, inflammation decreases, immune function improves, blood pressure stabilizes, digestion becomes smoother, hormone release becomes more balanced, cellular communication becomes clearer, brain waves synchronize with the heartbeat, emotional centers quiet, repair genes activate. Your vagus nerve is the bridge of this coherence. As it activates, your heart signals calm to your brain. Your brain signals safety to your organs. Your organs relax, and your entire inner world harmonizes. This harmony is not abstract. It is electrical, chemical, structural. Coherence strengthens mitochondrial efficiency, nitric oxide release, endothelial repair, lymphatic flow, immune resilience, cognitive clarity. Studies show that when the heart's electromagnetic field becomes coherent, the amplitude and organization of the brain's alpha waves improve. Your emotional brain and logical brain communicate more clearly. Your stress circuits unwind. Your regenerative circuits engage. It is as though your entire biology agrees on a single message. You are safe. You may heal. Imagine now a warm golden pulse radiating from your heart outward into your lungs, your throat, your shoulders, your abdomen, your limbs. This pulse aligns everything inside you, smoothing turbulent pathways, strengthening healing rhythms, clearing old patterns. Your mind and body are not separate. They are partners in regeneration. Coherence is the language they share. Let yourself drift deeper into this golden field, your body humming with quiet unity. Let the silence around you deepen. Let the edges of your awareness soften. Tonight, we enter a place beyond breath, beyond thought, the healing of stillness, the quiet womb where your nervous system resets, your organs recalibrate, and your cells regenerate without effort. Stillness is not emptiness. It is nourishment. When the world grows quiet, your inner systems awaken to repair. In silence, your amygdala shrinks its reactivity, your prefrontal cortex strengthens, blood flow to healing regions increases, the hippocampus forms new neurons, muscle tension dissolves, heart rhythm smooth, digestion becomes more efficient, hormonal balance improves, DNA repair accelerates, stem cell activity increases, cellular inflammation decreases, electrolytes rebalance, breathing deepens naturally. Silence is a biological catalyst, as essential as nutrients, sleep, or breath. Imagine silence now as a soft, dark blue ocean beneath your body, infinite, peaceful, welcoming. Each breath draws you deeper into its warmth. Each exhale releases another layer of tension. Your brain responds immediately. Neural chatter quiets. Default mode networks soften. Theta waves rise like evening mist. Delta waves begin to hum gently in the distance. These slow frequencies are signals for healing, telling your immune system to shift from defense to restoration, telling your organs to release their burdens, telling your cells to prepare for renewal. Even your biofield quiets in stillness. The electromagnetic turbulence of stress smooths into long, gentle waves. Your inner environment becomes harmonious, stable, nourishing. Imagine the silence wrapping softly around your muscles, your bones, your organs, your nerves. Each part of you bathing in calm, absorbing peace the way dry earth absorbs rain. In this silence, your past softens, your future rests. Your present becomes wide and gentle. Stillness does not ask you to do anything. It asks you to be just as you are, without tension, without expectation. And in that being, your body rebuilds itself moment by moment. Let yourself sink deeper into this healing silence. There is more waiting to unfold. Let your breath drift gently, softer, slower, like moonlight settling across a quiet valley. Tonight, we explore one of the most mysterious and profound ideas in modern biology, the quantum nature of healing. The notion that the smallest processes inside you create the largest changes in your body and life. Inside each cell, beneath the proteins, beneath the atoms themselves, lies a world of quantum events. Electrons tunneling, photons transferring across molecules, enzymes folding with quantum precision, mitochondria using quantum resonance, DNA interacting with subtle energy states. These are not metaphors. They are measurable processes, guiding how energy flows and how regeneration unfolds. Imagine now your body shimmering with microscopic light, countless photons flickering in silence. These tiny flashes guide cellular communication, helping molecules find each other, helping enzymes fit perfectly into their targets, helping stem cells sense where they are needed. In calm states like the one you're entering, this quantum communication becomes clearer. Stress disrupts coherence at the molecular level, but slow breathing, coherent heart rhythms, and deep rest strengthen the alignment between your cells' electromagnetic fields, allowing quantum processes to occur more efficiently. Your mitochondria, often called the powerhouses of the cell, operate partly through quantum tunneling to create ATP. This tunneling becomes more stable in low-stress conditions, increasing your energy for repair. Your DNA uses quantum effects to guide repair enzymes to damaged sites. This happens billions of times inside you, especially when you sleep or relax deeply. Imagine those enzymes finding breaks in the DNA as easily as stars finding their place in the night sky. Even your thoughts influence quantum states. Emotional calm smooths electromagnetic turbulence in the brain, creating coherence that encourages quantum-level order. This is why moments of peace can feel so transformative. They realign your biology from the smallest scale upward. Now imagine your entire body as a vast constellation of atoms, each one humming softly, each one responding to your breath, each one aligning with the field of calm you are creating. Healing is not only chemical, it is quantum. It is energetic. It is subtle. And it begins in moments like this. Let yourself drift into this microscopic brilliance, your inner universe shimmering with quiet, regenerative light. Let your breath slow into a warm, soft tide, rising gently, falling gently, carrying you toward the final chapter of this journey. The return to wholeness, the understanding that your body is not moving toward decay, but toward constant renewal. You are a living cycle, a changing landscape, a body that rebuilds itself every moment you are alive. Tonight, you've explored your organs, your cells, your immune system, your energy fields, your microbiome, your hormones, your nervous system, your fascia, your DNA, your mitochondria, your emotions, your quantum biology. And beneath all of these systems lies one truth. You are designed to heal. Your bones renew. Your skin renews. Your lungs renew. Your muscles renew. Your blood renews. Your heart renews. Your brain renews. Your organs renew. Your microbiome renews. Your mind renews. Your energy renews. You renew. Every breath you take is a message to your cells. You may begin again. Every slow exhale tells your body, you are safe now. Every moment of stillness reminds your biology. This is the environment where healing happens. Imagine now your entire body glowing with a soft amber light. Warm, gentle, whole. It spreads through your limbs, your chest, your back, your abdomen, your head. A warm radiance that fills you completely. Let this light gather in your heart, pulsing softly like a star sheltered in your chest. With each inhale, it brightens. With each exhale, it expands. And as it expands, it blends with the quiet around you, creating a field of calm so deep that every cell can rest, repair, and renew. You are not broken. You are becoming. You are not aging. You are regenerating. You are not lost. You are returning to yourself, to balance, to wholeness. Tonight, your body is rewriting itself. Tonight, your cells are rebuilding you. Tonight, your entire being is remembering its original brilliance. Let yourself drift, drift, drift into the deepest stillness. Your healing continues even when you no longer listen consciously. Your regeneration continues even in dreamless sleep. You are safe now. You are whole. You are renewed. And your journey through the quiet miracle of regeneration has only just begun. Let your breath soften, and soften a little more, as if the air itself has turned warm and weightless around you. There's nothing left for you to do tonight, nothing to fix, nothing to hold. Your body knows the rest of the journey on its own. Feel the space around your ribs widening gently. Feel your belly rise, slow and easy, and fall, like a quiet tide slipping back into the sea. All the healing you need is already unfolding inside you. Your cells humming softly, your organs settling into deep restoration, your inner world becoming calm, spacious, whole. You are safe now. You are safe now. Drift away. Drift away. Let every sound grow softer. Let every thought float farther until nothing remains but breath and warmth and the quiet glow of your own being. You are safe now. Drift away, fade into sleep.